Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to draw the CR7 jersey. Yes, you're right, we are going to learn how to draw Ronaldo's jersey. So first you are going to draw a center line with the pencil. After this we are going to draw a sleeping line, then two slanting line on the sides and again joining with the sleeping line. One slanting line for one side of the shoulder, another slanting line again. So just darkening the lines. Now we are just going to draw one slanting line on one side, another one on the other side, joining it with a sleeping line. Now making the arms, drawing one slanting line here, another slanting line on the other side, a smaller slanting line on both the sides, and then joining these lines together. First we are making the basic structure with the pencil, and later on we'll give the outlines for the final drawing. Now just adding more details, a line at the bottom. Now here we are drawing a slanting line, and now we are just making two sleeping lines, and in between this we are going to write the name. And now comes the number, one sleeping line, standing and a slanting line. We are making the drawing with the pencil to make sure that we don't do any mistake when we start outlining. Just making a standing line here to make sure that the number that we have made is correct. Now once we are done with the pencil lines, we are going to start with the outline with the pen. The stationery that I am using here, the links for all these are available in the video description. You can just go there and check them out. I am just outlining on the pencil lines that I have drawn. Just look at the lines carefully and it's going to be very easy for you. I am just outlining the pencil lines. Do like the video and let me know in the comment section about this video. Also subscribe to my channel for daily drawing videos. Now inside this we are going to write the name of the player Ronaldo in the block letters. So if you are not comfortable writing it directly with the pen, you can first write it with the pencil and then outline it. So that is totally up to you. Hope you are going to like this video and it's going to be very helpful to you and will make it easier for you to draw CR7 jersey. And also you can let me know in the comment section what you want me to draw next. So we are done with the name. Now we are just writing the number 7. Again we are just doubling the lines and writing it. Please be careful with the extra lines. Be careful with the lines that we don't need to outline with the pen. So we are almost going to be done with our drawing. For all the football fans, this tutorial is going to be very interesting. And soon I'll be uploading the jersey drawing of other players also. So stay tuned to my channel. Now we are just erasing the extra pencil lines that were not needed. After this we are starting with the color. So the color that I am using here are the Staedtler Luna pencil. The links for all the products are provided in the video description. You can just go and order them for yourself and try the stationery. Coloring the name, the block letters in yellow. Also, if you try this video, if you try this drawing, just you can share your drawings with us on our email ID. Coloring the number 7, Ronaldo's number. Now starting with the green color at the bottom of the jersey and the collar, and also on the sleeves. Do let me know in the comments section about this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. Whenever you're coloring, just do it in one direction to get the smoothness in your coloring and avoid any of the white spaces. Now once I am done with doing the green color, I am going to start with the red color in the upper part of the jersey. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want me to draw anything specific for you. I'll surely upload the step-by-step tutorial for the same. Hope you all liked the video. Do share your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.